What the haters talking about?
What's up, family? The International Criminal Court said Friday it has issued an arrest warrant for Russian President Vladimir Putin for war crimes for his alleged involvement in the abduction of children from Ukraine. Fam, you're going to love the hypocrisy here. The court said in a statement that Putin is allegedly responsible for the war crime of unlawful deportation of population and that of unlawful transfer of population from occupied areas of Ukraine to the Russian Federation. Family, make it make sense. Unlawful deportation, unlawful transfer of population. A little word called slavery comes to mind. This is what I want to know, fam. Why is it cool to arrest Vladimir Putin, but not George Bush for war crimes? Remember, George Bush knowingly led an unlawful war, started an unlawful war, took America into an unlawful war, an illegal war, where thousands of people died. And this dude hadn't seen as much as his name on a document and an accusation. The hypocrisy is staggering. They love going over to other countries, trying to play the moral police, call themselves liberating the people. They're suffering because of their leader. No one here is addressing the suffering of the people here. And I ain't even just talking about black people. Americans in this country are suffering daily. People are scared to death here. The bankers, the elected officials are robbing the people blind. They're using the budgets around America, the municipal budgets, the government budgets, as their personal piggy banks. They're running amok. They're doing whatever they want to, and they're not being held accountable. And they're bailing each other out. But they got the nerve to try to go into another country and pluck out the president of that country because that president is somehow so evil that he deserves to be removed. And you know, when it comes to somebody like Putin, you're talking. But that ain't gonna happen to Putin. Because one thing that I know for certain, America knows its beans from its cornbread. Bullies know their beans from their cornbread. And they ain't gonna mess with Putin. Because Putin will boop just like that. Russia ain't playing. And if they mess with Putin, they're gonna have to mess with China. Russia and China, they're on the same page. They have to kind of team up because America got everybody else damn near. It's not gonna work. That's just posturing, fam. They're not gonna be able to do to Putin what they did to Muammar Gaddafi on Barack Obama's watch. They always going in talking about they're liberating the people. And America don't do nothing without an ulterior motive. It's always about somehow going in trying to jockey for more position, more global control. It's really about helping Ukraine, is really about setting up American armed forces in Ukraine. Now, I know I'm not supposed to say that because, that's kind of stuff get people killed. But that's what it's about, fam. Setting up forces in Ukraine, America getting in position, just in case it go down. They right there where they can easily strike. This is a joke. They know damn well they not finna try to arrest Vladimir Putin. Just like they never tried to arrest the Queen. Yeah, Queen Elizabeth, remember? They was trying to arrest her for messing with them kids. Never happened. And you know why. This is a joke. They should have kept this to themselves because it really makes them look weak. Because we know they're not going to ride on Vladimir Putin because Vladimir Putin fights back. And that's the last thing in the world a bully wants to see. That's the last thing in the world a bully wants to deal with, is someone who will fight back. If you're being bullied, if you ever felt the pressure of a bully, all you got to do is put something on their ass. And I promise you, they will bow down. No more talk.
What the haters talking about?